Hey guys, welcome back if you're new. And today we're gonna go over how I prepare whole chickens for roasting and baking in the oven. So what I did was first I mashed my garlic in this mortar and pestle, and I added oregano, a little bit of salt, black pepper, cumin, and I have a other seasoning called dash, herbal, and garlic. And I just mixed that all together in here, and I mashed it all together, and it creates a paste. This is part of it, and this is what I'm going to use to season my chicken. So the chicken is already clean, and it's soaked in vinegar for 20 minutes. Then I rinsed it off. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the chicken and the pieces that are the meatiest, like the breast, I'm just going to poke through with a knife. Just make little slices in there, little cuts. Okay, maybe across the leg a little. And this is just to get the seasoning to penetrate through, because we're gonna then take this and leave it overnight in the refrigerator. Okay, so everything can penetrate, and that's basically it. And then at the end we'll add a little bit of sazon. So I'm going to take the garlic, and it's going to go into every little slit that I made. We're going to put in the garlic. Okay. Now, you don't have to use the seasonings that I use. You can use whatever seasonings you like. I know that everyone prepares their meat in with different seasonings. Everybody likes different seasonings. That's fine. Make it to the way that you're going to enjoy it. Your family is going to enjoy it. So, okay. So this is just to show how I prepare, my chicken after I've cleaned it and let it soak in vinegar for 20 minutes or so. Okay, so I think I've put garlic in every slit. Okay, then what I do is I'll get some garlic under the wings, some of the garlic mixture. Okay, under the thigh. Okay, and if you like to stuff your chicken, that's fine too. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, now we're gonna go do the same thing on the other chicken. Season the leg. Okay. The other leg. Sometimes when you're going through, you'll find a feather or two. Okay, just remove it. Okay. Okay, there we go. You can also season the back if you like of the chicken. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna do the front. Okay, I'm gonna rinse my hands a little. Alrighty. Okay, I wanted to open the sazon package. Okay, and this is just to give it a little bit of color. Now, I also could have put this in my mix, my seasoning mix. So if you can do that if you like. Now that I've turned the chicken over, I think I want to season the legs a little bit more. Okay. The thigh part. get a little bit more garlic. Alrighty. Just a little bit more. For the sides. Alrighty, and get the other side. Let me get the side of this side. This chicken. Alrighty. I'm thinking I've got a melody in my head. I keep singing it over and over again. I don't want to sing it on YouTube because I hear that you can get copyrighted. So it keeps popping up. I have to quiet myself down on purpose. Alrighty. Let's do this side. And let's do the last five. Okay. Cool. Alrighty. There we go. Okay, some of the seasonings are coming out. That's fine. Okay. Put it back on its back, on their backs. Okay, and I like to put a little bit of oregano over that. So let me rinse my hands again. Dry them. Okay, so a little bit of oregano. And this is just going to be in the front of the chicken. I gotta make sure I have enough oregano for, because I'm going to be seasoning some pork chops next. Pretty good. Make a little few more slits for the seasoning to get into. That's pretty good. Okay guys, so basically that's how I season my chicken. I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna transfer this to another container that it's gonna be cooking in the morning, and then that's it. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye.